Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a super exciting video for me to film. I'm going to be creating this look here following one of Kim Kardashian's her super simple makeup tutorial, and I'm going to be using all her products that I hauled in my previous video. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so thank you for joining me for this KKW tutorial. I will be linking the video that I'm fashioning this video after. I'll link it in the description box so you can see it's a quick video that Kim Kardashian did about her quick tutorial on how she does her no makeup look. And she really did it just to use these contour sticks. And then she used a brush similar to this, so it had this side, but instead of this side having a brush, it was like a sponge. But I bought her sponge, and then I'm just going to do some additional steps because I bought her powder contour palette, and it looks so pretty, and I just love the colors, and I just really wanted to use it and try it. So let's get this party started. So I did use some foundation in her tutorial. She didn't use any foundation, but I am going to go somewhere after I film this video, so I wanted to have some foundation on. And what I didn't show you in my swatches is that these contour sticks, they have two sides, which I did not know. So that's awesome. So I'm super happy that there's more colors. So the first thing that she did is she took the light contour, this is medium, and she used it as concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do, and wish me luck. I have used these a couple times, but not necessarily in this way. I was excited to try them, and one thing I can say is they blend super easy. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids to use it as a primer, although we're not gonna do any eyeshadow. I'm gonna use her blender, so it's already nice and wet and wrung out. I really like her sponge. Yeah, it gets nice and big. It's got the flat edge. It's super bouncy and also firm at the same time. So it's actually a really nice sponge, and I did wash it last night because I used it before with the makeup, and it blends out the makeup very nicely. So first of all, you totally can use these contour sticks. I have the one in medium. You can definitely use it as your under eye concealer. So I think that looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Yeah, so I was very intrigued how she did this. Now she just kept putting contour and blended everything at the same time. I'm not going to do that because I'm not as talented as she is. So, okay, the next thing she did is she did contour around her hairline and jaw, and then her nose. So this one is the medium contour stick, and this has this dark shade here, and then let's look at the other one. So this is the one that I had opened before, and I was like, ooh, that looks pretty light, but we're gonna use that one just not to contour. We're gonna use the darker one to contour. And so she kind of does this motion here where she doesn't really like, she does this because she has a larger forehead and she likes to give the appearance of a smaller forehead, and so she says that she does kind of a 3. So we're going to do this. So she says she does this, and then this. So what I like about these contour sticks is that they blend out super easy. Like, that may look dark, but it blends out super easy. So, and then also she does use it like right under here. And so, and then she does the nose. I think she uses the lighter one, but I'll try this one, and if I made an oops, then sorry. So what I'm going to use is, I'm going to use this brush. It's so cute. I washed this brush last night. It has KKW right there. And the bristles are super soft. I did lose a couple of bristles, but I don't think that's a very big deal. So I'm going to use this side right here, and I'm going to use that to blend in the contour. And it is super blendable. I have this spot, I told you I'm struggling with a skin issue right now. Look at how this blends out. Doesn't that blend out super nice? That blends out really nice. So yeah, I'm not scared to use these contour sticks at all. Actually, they're really my favorite contour sticks. Ever since I used the Brow Gals double-ended like brow stick, and I kind of used that as a contour, I really have been intrigued by contour sticks, and I think Kim did a great job. And let's see, can I use this for my nose? Yeah, so I really like it. Super creamy, and as you can see, as you're watching me, they blend out super easy. Just blend this just a little bit. Oh yeah, and by the way, Kim says that when she does her makeup, she likes to put makeup over her lips because she doesn't like to see the color of her lips until the end. But that's another tutorial that she has. Okay, so now she does the eyes. So she likes, and we're gonna use the lighter one, I think. And she likes to use it as eyeliner. Actually, this is not. We'll use this. She likes to use this, well, one of these is lip liner, but I think I'm going to use the darker one, the one that we used to contour. She used it as eyeliner. And I've done this before. I wore this the other day because I just wanted to see how it felt on the eyes and if I was going to have a reaction. And no reaction. These are just like super creamy. So this is how she kind of like does her little quick eye to look like she's ready. And I think you could totally, if you were stranded on a desert island and you just had these contour sticks, like you could really make a look work. Okay, let me just use the blender here, her sponge, to make it look pretty. Okay, and then she used one of these colors as eyeshadow. She's got, this is the highlight stick, and so we use the white under here, and then I'm gonna use this one. It's like a champagne-y color. Hopefully you can see that. It's like a champagne-y color. So I'm gonna use that as eyeshadow because she does use her contour sticks as eyeshadow. And then she uses her finger kind of to blend it out, because they're like, you literally, I don't think you even need tools. You can use like your hands, your fingers to blend it out. I'm gonna use a little bit more. Okay. So she's really, I've watched a few of Kim's tutorials, and her with Mario and her with some other like beauty vloggers or gurus or whatever you want to call them. And she's so nice. It looks pretty. It's just like opens up your eyes. She also uses it in her waterline to brighten that up. And then we'll use this side, the one we did concealer, right here. Hang on. Okay, so she did use the contour sticks like for the highlight as well, but because I have this beautiful contour palette, we're gonna leave the sticks alone for now. So we used it for our eyes as eyeshadow, contour, and as your under eye concealer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color right here. Let me see what color it is. It is, she just calls it Highlight 1. So we're gonna take Highlight 1, and it's kind of a pinky shade, and I'm just gonna use the flat side of the brush, and I'm gonna press that right into wow, that is so pretty. And it's not chunky, it just blends like super nicely. I think my brush is still a little bit damp, but yeah, I was super excited about using these, so I didn't want to use the highlight contour stick. I feel like as like a highlight, I feel like the powder ones work better. Woo! Okay, that is like glowing to the heavens. Okay, let's use the other side and blend some of that out. But I'm liking that. It reminds me of a Fenty highlighter, right? Okay, so what else am I going to use? So I'm going to use the Highlight 2 right here, which is just like a cream. Let me get some other brushes because I am running out. So I'm going to use this Contour 2 right here, and it's kind of a peachy color, but I'm going to use that as a blush. So I've used this, I think I wore it yesterday. So pretty. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you like her palettes. I don't know if you can see that. They have quite a bit of kick up, but like for me, I feel like when they're soft like that, that means that they're easy to blend. And I'd rather have that than not easy to blend, just because I'm not, you know, a makeup professional. I just do this for fun. So yeah, so I love this. And that's another reason why I got this palette, because it's so multifunctional. Even though they're saying that these two are contours and these two are highlights, you know, this can definitely be a contour, but this is a blush. You can also use this one because it's got a little bit of pink in it. You can use it as a blush topper, or you can use it as the highlight. And this one I think you can use to set your under eye if you want that super brightening. So this is super versatile. So, and then we're gonna use this highlight. Is it the Highlight 2? And I'm going to use it to highlight my Cupid's bow. Yeah, let's give a mustache. And we're gonna do a little bit of highlight down the nose. I'm not a big nose highlight, but why not? Kim likes it, so let's do it. Let's do a little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, so now we're nice and highlighted. So we are going to, I'm gonna do my, I'm just gonna do some mascara, and just so we can brighten up the eyes, I'm gonna do it off camera, and then we'll be back to do the lips and end this video. Okay, so I forgot, she did put some of her highlighter contour stick. She put it on her décolleté right here to highlight that. Put some right here, and I am dressed. So we'll have that, and then now we're going to finish off with the lips. What I did is I put on my Dynamic Duo of eyeshadow, and we are going to finish with the lips, and we're going to use her Nude 1 lip liner, and she always overdraws her lips. So let me remove some of my, I always put on some lip moisturizer. So take that off, and so I'm going to move in and show you how I'm overdrawing. See how I just went a little above there? So you see how it kind of gives you like a more like rounded pouty lip. So, and then I don't overline the bottom. Plus you have the contour underneath there already. So see how beautiful this lip liner is? It's so extremely beautiful. And so now I'm gonna do her lipstick, and this is also in Nude 1. And like I told you, I'm very gentle with this because it is super pigmented. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna rub that in. So yeah, that is my interpretation of the Kim Kardashian, her natural makeup tutorial. I don't know, what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? Or I absolutely love her products. I love the contour sticks, love the contour palette. I love her little brush. I think it's super cute and super handy. Love the sponge, love it. And love, this is like, I had to bring this out of my purse to show you guys. And let me show you what it looks like with the gloss. So sometimes I use it with the Fenty Gloss Fussy, and it looks really pretty. And I just use just a tiny bit. And yeah. Alright you guys, that is the end of this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!